The Shape Your Future programme is broken down into the following areas: staying safe, health and well-being, active citizenship, progression in careers, and equality and diversity. These topics will be covered in your group tutorials, in your one-to-one tutorial study programme, and in the enrichment activities that you undertake throughout the year. Whilst at college, you may also have a student mentor. A student mentor will help you on a one-to-one basis if you're ever in any need of further engagement with your programme. As part of my role at the college, I'm in charge of student behaviours and expectations. You can find out more about this on our Student Experience microsite. There you'll find the student handbook, our student charter and the positive engagement policy. For any more information, please visit our Student Experience microsite